What's up guys, it's been a minute but I'm finally back and I'm going to be doing another Supreme unboxing. It's been a very long time, I know, I keep saying we're back in it, I never come back, but I feel like this time I'm going to finally start trying to make some more videos for you guys. I might try to record like 2 right now and hopefully be uploading pretty frequently, but I don't know yet. I'm really hoping for it. But anyways, I have been participating a little bit this season in Supreme, not really too much. Some things been hitting, some things not. The bots are destroying everything. So many people are just buying Supreme these days that it's getting harder and harder to buy. But I was able to pick up 2 things from the most recent drop. I don't know when I'm uploading this, but hopefully I'm uploading it pretty soon. I'm gonna just get right into this. Actually, I think I'm gonna start with the smaller one first. I might not need my knife. Okay, I might need the knife. I don't want to ruin, okay, I say I don't want to ruin anything as I stab right through it. Okay, we looking good. We are looking good. So like I said, I haven't really bought too much, but I have been buying some things here and there. I did not get the box logo though. As you guys probably could have guessed from the history of older videos, I didn't really get anything too hyped, so you guys probably already knew that if you're watching the older videos. But anyways, we got the huge Supreme bag. Not sure why they did that. And oh wow, I actually got some stickers, which is kind of odd. Oh, that kind of sucks. I actually bought these on eBay to finish my set, but I got them here. That's crazy they still got stickers left from this. That's actually pretty insane. But anyways, inside this huge bag is this little squirt gun. The packaging on this is sick. It says world's smallest squirt gun. Well, this is squirt gun, it just says world's smallest on it. And then it's the Super Soaker 50. And I don't know if the camera's gonna focus on this because I just got a new lens, not really too sure how it's gonna look, but hopefully you guys can see that. This thing is pretty sick though, honestly. The packaging is sick. I actually really like the packaging. Let me get this out of the way because it's taking up a ton of space over here. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I might be able to just set this right here for right now for the rest of the video. I gotta find somewhere to put that. I still don't even know where I'm gonna put any of my stuff, but let's just move on because I don't really want this video being too long. So next we got this big box, and I'm sure you guys already know what's inside. I just keep getting a ton of notifications from this. Alright, hopefully I didn't damage anything. Okay, we're looking good again. 2 for 2 on this. Alright, so this is odd. I feel like they gave me a smaller Supreme bag for the Super Soaker. Dang, this is sick. My box is kind of destroyed. Did it have stickers? Oh yeah, I actually had 2 box logos in this as well. Nothing else inside the bag. My box is kind of beat up, but that's cool. This thing is so sick to me. I remember seeing this for the first time in the lookbook, and I really wanted this. I'm sure I'm going to take it out eventually, but I'm not going to open it right now because, like I said, I don't really know what I'm going to do with it. This is sick though. It says Supreme right here, and where the water goes in. Yeah, this is honestly sick. And oh, Joe was right. This is a Nerf thing. I didn't know it was Nerf, to be honest. I'm going to just be real with you guys. I didn't know it was Nerf. But the packaging is pretty sick. And yeah, here's it in comparison to this, even though I'm sure by now you guys have probably already seen some videos, or I mean some pictures or videos or something, but here's it with comparison to the actual gun. I thought that was cool how they did the keychain to match it. That's pretty sick. And oh, my tie is broken on here too. That kind of sucks. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't know where I'll put it. Like I said, I'm probably going to open it, but I'm not sure. I don't really have anywhere to put it, so I got to find somewhere to put it first. And then with both the unboxings, I ended up with 3 red box logo stickers, and then the gun, the Uzi sticker, and then I don't even remember what this is called, but the little newspaper article thing. But yeah, pretty good week for me, honestly. That was all I was actually going for, and I was able to get both the things I was going for. I'm pretty excited for this week. If I am able to get anything from this week, though, I'm definitely going to be making a video because I'm super hyped on these teas coming out, and I really need the coffee thing. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to hopefully be uploading pretty frequently now. I'm aiming for about 2 times a week. I'm going to try my best to do that for you guys, and I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.